everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. Today is Friday, that means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to be doing a chia seed coaster. I have 2 ounces of resin mixed and I have my chia seeds. The chia seeds have different colors in there. There's lighter seeds and darker seeds, so it'll be interesting to see how it comes out once we have it all in the resin. So I have it well mixed. I'm going to pour it in. Again, I have 2 ounces. And with anything that's a natural substance like wood or these seeds, I'm going to suggest that you come back quite a few times with your lighter to pop the bubbles, just to ensure that you don't get any bubbles trapped in there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my lighter, pop the bubbles, and I will come back several times after just to do that again. And then we are going to let this sit a minimum of 12 hours, and then we'll come back and see how it looks up close and personal. The chia seeds ended up floating more than I expected, and I don't know why. I should have expected it because they float in water and everything else. So I let it cure for several hours, and now I'm just going to add 1 more layer of resin right on top, and it'll just take 1 ounce to cover it, and now it's fully embedded. Now I'm just going to take my lighter and pop the bubbles. And we'll let this cure a minimum of 12 hours before we pull it out of the mold. The coaster's cured, so we're going to pop it out of the mold. Here it is up close so you can see the details of the chia seeds and how it's giving it some texture. You can leave the coaster just as it is, and it's perfect that way. I happen to use my Cricut and cut out a heart that I like the shape of. And it's a glitter vinyl, and it's really durable. Now you could just use a sticker instead if you wanted to, but if you use a sticker you might want to put a layer of resin over it. But these are very durable, and you can remove them and use them again or change what's on here. Now I have a great coaster for Valentine's Day or just because. You could put anything on there. You can even have the word chia written on there just so people know what it is. But here it is plain. Here it is used as a background. So be sure to let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. If you can think of other interesting things to add to resin for some visual texture, be sure to leave that down in the comments below too. I hope you like the chia seed coaster, and be sure to keep adding ideas on items to put into resin for the coasters that would add interesting texture. So if you have any ideas, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys!